Hi, this is Raman. Welcome to another episode of the 10,000 Trade Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. Today, we'll take a look at a bearish pin bar trade setup. This, as you know, is one of my favorite trade setups because it's really simple and easy to identify. Basically, we're looking for one candlestick. So let's go on to the charts and we'll take a look at what a bearish pin bar looks like, how to place a trade using this type of a trade setup, and how to book profits using this simple strategy. Here we're looking at a bearish pin bar trade setup. This is pound US dollar 1 hour chart. A bearish pin bar is a single candlestick trade setup where we have a long wick on the top of the candle and a small candle body. So here we see that price has been going back and forth, and immediately prior to this price had been pushing up. It comes into this support and resistance level, and from there we get this big pin bar. I especially like the pin bars on a 1 hour chart because I have found them to work really well. So once we get this pin bar here, we can wait for a 50% pullback, or you can take a trade right at the bottom of the pin bar. So we enter the trade short because we expect price to drop here, and our stop can go above our pin here. This time I put it just above this pin here because we could see price go back up. Sometimes price pulls back, so we want to make sure that we don't get stopped out unnecessarily. So stop goes up there, we enter the trade short, and as we see here, price drops, immediately goes into the next support and resistance level, and then pushes up from there. We also have this indecision candle here, which shows that price could be turning. We could get buyers stepping into the market, and then price tries to make one more push, goes into the next support and resistance level here, and then we get this reversal signal here, railroad reversal, so we get a bullish candlestick. So this is a good time for us to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 63 pips in the trade. So just to recap here, this is our bearish pin bar, which has a long wick and then a small candle body, and here we are looking for price to drop after this. So price goes into support resistance level, gives us a bearish pin bar. Now we wait for a bit of a pullback here and we enter the trade short. Our stop will go above the pin here. In this case, because we do have another pin right here, I've put it above that pin. We just want to make sure that price has enough room in case price pulls back up. Our trade has enough room to breathe. So we enter the trade, stay with the trade as long as price is dropping. Once we see this, our railroad tracks reversal setup, which means we have a bearish candle, and immediately following that we have this big bullish candle here. This is good time for us to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 63 pips in our trade. So our profit is 63 pips or $630 if trading one standard lot. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and like, comment, and subscribe below. That's it for today, and I'll be back with another episode very soon.